Welcome to Network Beat. My name is Sabir. This video I show up how to speed up in startup your Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 8. First, go to run, type msconfig, msconfiz, press enter. Go to boot tab and go advanced option and choose number of processor. My machine have only one processor. This reason it show up one. If you have two, you can select two, three, four, and highest number of you can select. Highest number you can select, no problem, and press OK. Now I click Startup and open Task Manager. Okay, now I disable unwanted application and I disable this. Get disable and it's also I doing disable. I've already unwanted application disable. Okay friends, I think this video help you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Goodbye.